Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Zoom meeting. So, let's get started. First of all, open your Zoom app on your computer and make sure you are signed in. Once you are in, you will see the option to join a meeting. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear. You can either enter a meeting ID, which you will get from the host, or simply click on the link if the host has shared one with you. Then enter your name. You can tick or untick the option. Don't connect to audio if you want to mute, and turn off my video if you need to. After entering the details, hit join and you'll be in the meeting in no time. Some meetings may have a waiting room, so just wait for the host to let you in. And that's it. Now you know how to join a Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.